Webull stock, ticker symbol BULL, is shaping up to be one of the most talked about fintech names of 2024. And after another volatile week of trading, all eyes are on what comes next. So as we head into a fresh week of market action, let's take a closer look at where things stand, what's driving sentiment, and why this stock could be setting up for another big move. Welcome back to the channel. Let's dive in. At the close of last week, Webull finished at $16.05, holding on to support after what can only be described as a wild ride. At one point this month, BULL surged more than 35%, topping $18 a share before sliding back sharply. A three-day winning streak ended midweek with a steep pullback, but the stock showed some resilience on Thursday and Friday, closing out just under that key $16 zone. So what does all this mean? Well, for one, this stock is not for the faint of heart. But what's interesting is that despite the volatility, Webull is still sitting comfortably above its July breakout point, and many traders see this recent action not as a breakdown, but as a healthy consolidation. Now let's talk about why people are excited about BULL in the first place. The single biggest catalyst on the horizon is crypto. Webull recently announced that it's relaunching crypto trading for US users through its Webull Pay division. This is a big pivot, and it signals the company's re-entry into a market it previously exited due to regulatory hurdles. According to Webull's US CEO, Anthony Denier, the regulatory environment has improved enough for the company to come back with confidence. This news matters, not just because of crypto itself, but because of what it represents. It's a sign of normalization. It's a vote of confidence in US crypto policy. And it positions Webull as one of the few platforms that can offer both traditional equity trading and digital assets in a single app. But it's not just hype. Webull is operating in 14 global markets. It has over 24 million users, more than $12 billion in customer assets, and it just posted its first profitable quarter, pulling in $12.9 million in net income and growing revenue by over 30% year-on-year. In other words, this is a company with real growth, real numbers, and real momentum. It's not just a flashy app with a good interface. There's substance here. So let's look ahead. With one trading week in front of us, here are the key themes I'm watching. Number 1. Support and resistance. Right now, the $15.50 to $16 zone is acting as a floor. If BULL can hold above that, the technical setup remains intact. On the upside, the $17.50 to $18 range is key resistance. If the stock can break above that level with volume, it opens the door to a move toward 20, possibly even higher if a broader market rally kicks in. Number 2. Crypto momentum. Any fresh news on the rollout of US crypto trading could be a spark. If Webull announces new coin listings, a timeline for the relaunch, or promotional offers to onboard crypto users, that could drive new volume and investor interest. Keep an eye on the Webull newsroom and official PR channels. This stock moves fast on headlines. Number 3. Macro conditions. Fintech stocks have been riding a wave of optimism lately. Inflation readings are cooling. Interest rate expectations are steady. And sentiment around growth names is improving. If the Nasdaq stays hot, speculative tech names like Webull could benefit from sector tailwinds. Number 4. Options flow and short interest. There's been increasing chatter about a possible short squeeze. And while we don't have confirmed data suggesting a massive short float, what we do know is that BULL's options chain has seen rising call volume, suggesting bullish positioning. If momentum picks up early in the week, watch for a gamma squeeze to amplify the move. And number 5. Investor psychology. Let's be real, a lot of people missed the initial breakout in BULL stock. When it ran from 12 to over 18 in a matter of days, it caught traders off guard. Many of them are now watching for a second opportunity, a new base, a dip entry, or a momentum confirmation to get in. This kind of retail psychology can fuel sharp moves in both directions. But if Webull can stabilize early in the week, we could see buyers step back in. So what's the bottom line? Webull remains one of the more compelling stories in the fintech space right now. It's got growth. It's profitable. It's aggressively expanding its product offerings. And it's riding the wave of a renewed interest in crypto. But it's also volatile. This is a stock that moves. So if you're trading BULL, be prepared for swings, and don't chase blindly. Instead, watch the levels, follow the volume, and stay tuned for updates. Heading into the week, I'm cautiously bullish. I like the setup. I like the fundamentals. And I like the narrative. But I'm also watching closely for confirmation. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Are you long Webull? Waiting for a better entry? Or do you think this stock has already run its course? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next update. We'll be tracking Bull all week long, and I'll be right here with you as the story unfolds. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay sharp, stay informed, and stay bullish.